The biggest tip that I give people with hooded eyes is look at yourself naturally. Everyone always does the eye makeup like this, and unless you're incredibly sarcastic, this is not how we walk around with the world. So make sure that you always do your eyes so that you look at yourself neutral, and then put a dot where the eyelid is now visible even with your normal eye, and that dot is your guideline of where you need to take the dark or the black or the very dark color and smoke it out from there. So with a hooded eye, you need to be very aware that it's not the same as the instructions on the box. An almond eye has, the ability to have the light color and then through the crease. Without a crease, you need to make the hood essentially become the lid. So you take it up to where you can see it with a neutral eye, and then you might smoke it up a little bit depending on how much space you have between your brow and your visible eyelid. So it's a little bit different a process. So don't go for the taking it through the crease, because as a hooded eye person, we don't have one. So you either have to build one with the darker color, or just do a smoky, beautiful blackened eye. You may not have that cut crease effect, but it will still look beautiful, and concentrate on color underneath the eye.